Have you ever wondered how to start an online business in 2024? Welcome to the future of entrepreneurship, where the digital marketplace is the new main street and online businesses are driving the economy. The growth of online business in recent years has been nothing short of phenomenal. Spurred by advancements in technology and the rise of e-commerce, individuals globally are harnessing the power of the internet to create wealth. Picture this. An online business gives you the freedom to operate from anywhere, at any time, and reach a global audience. It's your shop that never closes. And the best part? You don't need a fortune to start. With a computer, some savvy, and a sprinkle of dedication, you could be the next online success story. Now you must be wondering, how does one tap into this lucrative market? Well, first and foremost, understanding online marketing is key. The digital landscape is a dynamic one, and it's crucial to keep up with the latest trends and strategies. Whether it's search engine optimization, social media marketing, or email campaigns, effective online marketing can be the difference between a thriving online business and a forgotten URL. Equally important is the ability to manage your time effectively. In the digital world, time is currency. From responding to customer inquiries, to updating your website and managing your social media presence, running an online business can be a 24/7 job. But with the right tools and strategies, you can streamline your operations and ensure you're spending your time where it matters most. The potential for individuals to earn money and achieve wealth through online businesses is immense. It's a world of opportunities, where your success is limited only by your imagination and determination. But like any business venture, starting an online business requires planning, strategy, and a bit of courage. Now that you have an understanding of what an online business is and its potential, let's dive into the steps to start one. The first step to starting an online business is identifying a business idea. This isn't a task to be taken lightly, as the idea you choose should ideally be a harmonious blend of your interests, skills, and the potential for profit. Imagine trying to run a business you have no interest in. It wouldn't take long before it feels more like a chore than a venture, would it? So, start by looking within. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have? How can you turn these into a profitable online business? In recent years, we've seen the rise of various online business models. Box subscription services, for instance, have become increasingly popular. They offer customers the convenience of having products they love or need delivered to their doorsteps on a regular basis. Another promising avenue is the creation and sale of digital products. This could be anything from e-books to online courses, software, and more. Best of all, you create these products once and sell them multiple times, making it a potentially lucrative business model. Then there's affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products or services. This is a great option if you have a strong online presence or following. Once you have a business idea, the next step is to validate it. Validating your business idea before launching can save you a lot of time and money. But what is market validation, and why is it so important? Market validation is the process of testing and verifying a business idea through methods like market research or feedback from potential customers. It's a crucial step in the business planning process because it helps to ensure that there's a demand for your product or service before you invest time and resources into it. So how do you validate your business idea? One common method is to conduct market research. This might involve analyzing trends in your industry, studying your competition, or conducting surveys to gauge consumer interest in your product or service. Another method is to seek feedback directly from your potential customers. You can do this by sharing your business idea with friends, family, or even strangers and asking for their honest opinions. Remember, the goal of validation is not to prove that your business idea is perfect, but rather to identify potential pitfalls and opportunities for improvement. It's about making informed decisions and reducing risk. After validating your business idea, it's time to create a business plan. A well-crafted business plan can guide you towards success. So what exactly is a business plan? It's a roadmap for your business that outlines your goals and details how you plan to achieve them. It's the foundation of your venture, setting the course for your entrepreneurial journey. But why is it important? Well, it helps you identify potential challenges, provides structure and direction, and is essential if you're seeking funding or investors. Let's dive into the key components of a business plan. First, the executive summary. This is a high-level overview of your business, summarizing what it is you do and why you're confident it will be successful. Remember, this is your chance to pique interest and encourage further reading, so make it compelling. Next up, the company description. This is where you delve into the specifics of your business. What problem are you solving? Who are your customers? What sets you apart from the competition? These details help paint a clear picture of who you are as a business. Moving on, we have market analysis. This involves researching your industry and competitors and understanding your target audience. It's about knowing the landscape you're entering and ensuring there's a need for your offering. Now, let's talk about organization and management. This section outlines your business structure, ownership, and the team behind it. It's about showcasing the people steering the ship and their roles in navigating towards success. Next is the service or product line. Here, you detail what you're selling or the service you're offering, explain its benefits, how it meets consumer needs, and its life cycle. This is your chance to sell your product or service, so make it shine. Then we have marketing and sales. This section outlines your strategy for attracting and retaining customers. How will you reach your target audience? How will you convert prospects into customers? Here you lay out your game plan for growth. Finally, there are the financial projections. This is where you forecast your revenue and expenses, providing a snapshot of the financial health you expect your business to achieve. With a business plan in place, you're ready to build your online presence. Building a strong online presence is crucial for any online business. This is a statement that rings true now more than ever. Let's delve into how you can establish a robust presence in the digital world. First things first, you need to choose a business name that resonates with your brand and is easy to remember. Your business name is your identity, and it's the first thing customers will see, so make it count. Once you've chosen a name, it's time to register a domain. This is your virtual address, the place where customers will find you. Make sure it's intuitive and mirrors your business name. There are numerous platforms to register your domain, and most of them are cost-effective, making it an accessible step for everyone. Next, you need to create a professional website. This is your storefront in the online world. It should reflect your brand, be user-friendly, and offer all the necessary information about your products or services. There are numerous website builders out there that provide templates and drag-and-drop interfaces, making it easier than ever to design a sleek and functional website. But having a website isn't enough. You need to make it discoverable, and that's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. SEO is the practice of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. This involves using relevant keywords, producing quality content, and building backlinks, among other strategies. In addition to your website, setting up social media accounts is a must in the digital age. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn allow you to connect with your audience, share content, and promote your products or services. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly post engaging content, interact with your followers, and maintain a consistent brand image across all platforms. Remember, building an online presence isn't a one-and-done task. It requires continuous effort, regular updates, and staying in tune with digital trends. But with the right strategy and commitment, you can create a strong online presence that sets the foundation for your business's success. After building your online presence, it's time to attract and retain customers. The journey doesn't stop here, so stay tuned for the next steps. Attracting and retaining customers is the key to a successful online business. Every online business revolves around its customers, the very lifeblood that keeps the virtual doors open. But how does one attract and retain these precious customers? Let's dive into a few strategies. Content marketing is one such strategy. It involves creating and sharing valuable free content to attract and convert prospects into customers and customers into repeat buyers. This strategy is all about adding value at every stage in your customer's journey with your business. Be it through informative blogs, engaging videos, or insightful infographics, content marketing can help you build trust and foster a strong relationship with your customers. Next up is email marketing. Think of it as a direct line of communication with your customers. Send out newsletters, exclusive offers, or just a quick hello to keep your brand on top of their minds. But remember, it's not about bombarding them with emails. It's about providing value and staying relevant. Social media marketing is another powerful tool in your arsenal. With platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, you can reach a wider audience, engage with your customers, and even provide customer support. Social media allows you to create a community around your brand, a place where your customers can connect with you and with each other. Speaking of customer support, let's not forget the rise of chatbots. These AI-powered virtual assistants can provide round-the-clock customer service, answer common queries, and even assist with marketing. They can be a valuable addition to your business, enhancing customer experience and freeing up your time to focus on other important aspects of your business. Attracting and retaining customers requires a mix of these strategies, tailored to your business and your customers. It's about understanding their needs, providing value, and building a relationship based on trust. It's not just about making a sale, it's about creating a loyal customer base. Starting an online business may seem daunting, but with the right approach and dedication, you can make it a success. Let's recap what we've learned about starting an online business. First, we delved into the importance of identifying a unique business idea that aligns with your passions and skills. We then explored the need to validate this idea, ensuring it's not only viable but also has the potential to thrive in the market. Creating a robust business plan was our next stop, a crucial roadmap that outlines your business's future trajectory. Equally important is building a solid online presence, a digital home that reflects your brand's identity and values. Last but not least, we discussed the art of attracting and retaining customers. This involves mastering the nuances of online marketing, from SEO to chatbots, and creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. Now you have the knowledge to start your journey in the world of online business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and determination, you can achieve your goals. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your online business venture.